Assalamualaikum guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make these delicious cheesy potato and chicken balls, so let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so you can get notified for whenever I post new videos. Here are the ingredients as well as the directions, so you can go ahead and pause the video and take a screenshot. In a saucepan, we will add chicken and water. To that, we will add some salt as well as black pepper and chili flakes, and we will boil this until it is dried. So we will need onion, green chili, cornstarch, cayenne pepper, mustard powder, garlic powder, salt, chili flakes, black pepper, lemon juice, mozzarella cheese, and the shredded chicken. And we will need boiled potatoes that I have mashed. In a chopper, I have chopped up the green chilies and the onion, and I will just put it in a bowl with a muslin cloth and squeeze out all the water. Now to the potatoes, I've added the chicken as well as the onion and green chili mix and the half of the cheese, and I'm giving it a good mix. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the spices and the cornstarch and give it a good mix. Now lastly, I'm going to add the lemon juice and give it a good mix again. Now we will take some of the mixture and roll it in our hands, form a ball, and then we will indent in the middle and add some of the mozzarella cheese we had left over. And go ahead and do it that and form into a ball, and just keep repeating those steps until you're done. For the breadcrumb mixture, I've chopperized some Rusk. I didn't have any breadcrumbs, so I just used Rusk because they were available. Now I'm adding oregano, and I'm also going to add Parmesan cheese. I am not adding any salt to this because Parmesan is already salty, so you don't really need any more salt. Now for the paste part, I've added flour and cornstarch to a bowl, and now I'm gonna add like some salt to it. You don't have to add salt, but I did. And then I'm gonna add oregano, just a sprinkle, and to that we're gonna add water and make it into like a runny paste. It doesn't have to be super thick, just runny. So here we have our breadcrumbs, just plain flour, the paste, and our cheese and chicken balls we have prepared. First, we will take a ball and we will add flour to it like that, and then we'll add it to the wet mixture and then again to the dry mixture, which is the breadcrumbs. Coat it completely and set it aside. They should look something like this. So we're gonna fry the balls in a medium-low flame. I've added around 7 of them, and we're gonna just fry it on medium-low so they don't burn easily. And once they're crisped up, we're gonna remove them from the oil like that. Let it dab on tissue paper so all the oil can be soaked up, and then it's ready to serve. You guys can probably hear my birds in the back, but thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you do try this recipe. It's super tasty and super easy to make. It's not time consuming at all. Thank you so much, guys. Allah Hafiz.